So this is where are we? Hey everyone.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. It's Tuesday, the next Tuesday. It's February 9th now, and after working 5 straight days in the hospital, getting accustomed to all that, we have finally have a couple days to explore Vancouver Island. So we'll show you where we go, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright, so I thought we'd take a minute to introduce ourselves since we haven't done that yet. So I'll go first. My name's Nicole O'Halloran and I'm from Hamilton, Ontario. We actually met in Hamilton, and I actually work as a customer success manager at a financial software company. I've always kind of wanted to vlog, but we've never actually took the plunge, so we're gonna try it out here and see what you guys think. Adrian?
And my name is Adrian. I am an ICU nurse in Hamilton as well, and that's actually the reason why we are in Vancouver Island. I know that there's a global pandemic going on right now, and we're traveling not just for leisurely sake, but we're also traveling for work. I have a 2-month contract here at the in Nanaimo, so we're just having fun as much as we can on our off days and keeping as safe as possible. And we have one more member to introduce, and
He's busy.
He's busy right now, but this is our little puppers, Mr. Fritz.
Just stopped by Rathtrevor. I think it's a park, but we're just here for the beach. We're weirdly greeted by a lot of bunnies, which wasn't something we were expecting, but it's kind of cute. To close out this video, we just wanted to say thank you for watching. Over the next 2 months, we're planning to explore a lot of the Vancouver Island, and we're going to take you along with us to share all the beautiful scenes that we see.
And if you liked the video, please give us a like and a subscribe. And if you're from the area and if you've been in Vancouver Island before and you have recommendations on things to see, please drop them in the comments below. And again, thanks so much for watching the video. We'll see you next time. Peace!